Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this episode, we are going to discuss the area of triangle ABC. In three cases, we are going to discuss as well the area of triangle in different forms, different formula we will discuss now. So, area of triangle ABC is denoted by delta and delta equal to half BC sin A, which is equal to half CA sin B, which is equal to half AB sin C, where small a, B, C are lengths of the sides of the triangle and capital A, capital B, capital C represents the angles of the triangle. Now, we will prove this theorem by taking the three cases. In the first case, B is acute angle we are taking. B is acute. Acute angle means it is less than 90 degrees. Draw the figure according to the case. B is acute. So, I am taking that triangle like this. A, B, C. We know that BC is small a and AB is small c and AC is small b. So, from here to here it is small b. From here to here it is small a. From here to here it is small c. From A, you draw one perpendicular. It meets side BC at the point D. At the point D. So now, whenever it is B is acute, here the angle is B. So sin B equal to draw perpendicular from A to side BC. So now from triangle ABD, sin B equal to, sin B definition here, opposite by hypotenuse. That means AD divided by hypotenuse is AB. That implies AD is equal to AB into sin B. What is AB here? AB means small c. So AD equal to C into sin B. After getting the value of AD, we know that area of triangle ABC is half into base into height. Therefore, the area of triangle ABC is delta equal to half into base. Base of the triangle is BC into height. Height means AD. Half into BC value is small a. BC is equal to small a. And AD value we got it here. C into sin B. Therefore, the area of triangle when B is an acute angle, half AC into sin B. Hence proved in the case 1. Similarly, we will consider the second case, which is the angle B is right angle. The angle B is right angle here. Right angle means we know that how to draw the figure. In the second case, you have to observe that we know that BC is equal to small a, AB is equal to small c, and this is 90 degrees, and AC is equal to small b. Here, B is right angle, B is right angled. From figure, sin B is equal to, B is equal to 90 degrees now. So sin 90, sin 90 value is what? 1. Simply we can assume that. So now, area of triangle. From this figure, the area of triangle ABC is delta equal to half into, according to the figure, base is BC into height is AB, which is equal to half into BC means what? Small a. AB means small c. Delta equal to, which is also can be written as half into AC into 1 we can write now. AC, half AC into 1, there is no meaning, AC only, it is half into AC. In place of 1, what I am replacing is sin B. Therefore, which is equal to half AC into sin B. Therefore, the area of triangle ABC is half into AC into sin B, which is in the second case, B is at right angle. We will go to the third case. In the third case, B is obtuse. The third case, B is acute angle. Obtuse angle means the figure will be like this. In the previous sessions, we discussed that. Here the B angle, here C, here A. Based on that, you can AC is small b. So now join one perpendicular to the side BC, which is produced at the point D. So here D is clearly right angled. Whenever it is B is obtuse angle, from triangle ABD, from triangle ABD, sine of, here this is total, it is straight angle now, straight angle. So B is obtuse, remaining is total 180, means from here to here it is 180 minus B. So triangle, from triangle ABD, 180 minus B is equal to opposite, that is AD divided by DB. Sorry, sine no, opposite by hypotenuse. Sorry, hypotenuse means AB. Yeah. AD by AB. Sine of 180 minus theta. Sine of 180 minus theta, sine theta. So sine B is equal to AD divided by AB means small c. So if you do that cross multiplication, you will get AD is equal to C into sine B. After getting the value of AD, now the area of triangle, therefore the area of triangle ABC is delta equal to half into base. What is base here according to the figure? Base is BC into height is AD, which is equal to half into BC. BC means small a into AD. AD means we got it here, C sin B. Therefore, half into AC sin B. Triangle half into AC sin B. Similarly, we can prove that you have to write the conclusion step. Similarly, we can prove delta equal to half into AC sin B and also BC sin A. Already AC sin B is over now. BC sin A, which is also equal to half into AB sin C. Hence proved. This is the way you have to prove the area of triangle by taking the three cases. Here, dear students, here we are discussing the area of triangle in three forms. All are equal to area of triangle only. In different forms of area of triangle formula we will discuss now. So first, delta. Delta is area of triangle. Area of triangle, we know that half into BC sin A. From sine rule, small b can be written as 2r sin b. Small c can be written as 2r sin c. So, half into 2r sin b into 2r sin c into sin A. So, here one of the two will be cancelled, which is equal to 2 into r square into remaining terms sin A into sin B into sin C. So this is also one of the formulas for area of triangle where r is the circumradius. So delta equal to 2r square into sin A sin B sin C. We'll move to the next one. Here also same formula we can take, delta equal to half BC sin A. Here what we are taking is from sine rule. What is sine rule? A is equal to 2r sin A. From this what I am making is, from this sin A making as a subject. So sin A is equal to A by 2r. So in place of sin A, substitute this value. So therefore delta equal to half into BC into A by 2r, which is equal to delta equal to A into B into C, ABC, divided by 2r into 2 is 4r. Therefore the area of triangle in terms of small ABC as well as circumradius is delta equal to ABC by 4r. Another one we are going to discuss. Area of triangle, come to the third case. Area of triangle, we have delta equal to half into BC sin A. So sin A half angle formula you can write, which is equal to half into BC half angle formula 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. After that here 2 get cancelled. What is the formula for sin A by 2 and cos A by 2? Just now we discussed in the previous session. So BC sin A by 2 is square root of S minus B into S minus C divided by BC into cos A by 2 square root of S into S minus A divided by BC. After that delta equal to, we'll continue from here ma, delta equal to BC into square root of, this is a root A by root B form I am writing, S minus B into S minus C into divided by root BC into root S into S minus A divided by root BC. We know that root X into root X is X. Similarly, root BC into root BC is BC, which is equal to BC into, this is root A into root B is root AB. So, root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C divided by BC, root BC into root BC is BC. Here BC get cancelled. Therefore, the area of triangle delta equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is about the area of triangle in terms of different formulae. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you very much. In the next episode, we are going to discuss the problems which are in the first exercise in the first year mathematics 1A. Thank you very much.